Welcome to Python Project 4. Build your own AI chatbot. Today, your program talks to an AI. You type a message and the AI answers. No account, no credit card, no complicated setup. Just Python, one package, and a free API key. Let's build your first AI friend.
You have told Python what to print, played games, built windows, and fetched live data. Today, you ask an AI. 4 new pieces. The OpenAI package, the official way to talk to ChatGPT-style models. An API key, your secret pass to the AI server. Chat completions, the call that gets an answer. And a messages list, the conversation you send. One more thing. The same 10-line pattern works with ChatGPT itself. Today, it is free on Groq. No credit card.
So, how does an AI chatbot work? You type a message. Your code sends it to an AI server. The server thinks, and an answer comes back. Behind the scenes, your words become a list of dicks. Each one has a role and content. Role says who is talking. User, system, or assistant. Content is what they said. The AI reads this conversation and replies. Your code is just the messenger.
To talk to the AI, you need a key. It proves this is your account. Get one at console.groq.com. Sign up with email or Google. No credit card. Verify your email and you land on the dashboard. Open API keys in the sidebar. Click Create API Key. Give it a name like my chatbot. Submit. And there it is. A key that starts with GSK. Copy it now. It is shown only once. Your key is a password. Never share it and never upload it to GitHub. The same code works with ChatGPT or OpenAI. Just use your own key and the default URL.
Now install the OpenAI package. It is the most popular AI package in the world. If you import it before installing, you get an error. Module not found error. No module named OpenAI. The fix is one command. Pip install OpenAI. Watch the terminal. It downloads the package and says successfully installed OpenAI version 2.54. One command, and the AI library is ready.
Time for the first AI call. In the shell, import the client. Create a client with your key and a Groq server address. This is your messenger to the AI. Then ask a question. Chat completions, create, model llama 3.370 billion versatile, and messages with your words. The answer comes back. Read it at reply choices 0 message content. And there it is. The AI said hi. Your code just talked to an AI.
Let's read that answer path carefully. Reply is the whole response object. It holds everything the AI sent back. Choices is a list of answers. 0 picks the first one. Message is the text object. And content is the actual reply. Reply, choices, 0, message, content. Simple, once you see it. 2 quick traps. Reply with square brackets gives a type error. Use dots, not brackets. And forget the 0, and you get an attribute error. Choices is a list. Lists need an index.
Now, how does the bot remember? Every turn you send the whole conversation. Look at the chat. You say hi. The AI answers. You ask a question. It answers again. And on the right, the messages list grows. System sets the personality. User is what you say. Assistant is what the AI said. Each turn, your code appends both sides and sends the full list back. That is how the AI remembers. The whole conversation every single time.
Let's write the real program. Open a new file and save it as chat.py. The plan has 3 steps. First, create the client with your key and the server. Second, ask the AI with chat completions. Third, print the answer. 10 lines. That is the famous 10-line ChatGPT. Model Llama 331 question. And print the reply. That is the whole program. One question is nice. A conversation is better. Add a loop. While true, ask the user with input. You prompt. If the user types Q, break and quit. Otherwise, append their message to the history. Send everything to the AI. Print the answer and append it too. Ask, send, print, remember. The same while true pattern you used in the rock, paper, scissors game. Now your chatbot can chat forever.
Run it. The restart line appears, and you are talking to an AI. You ask, what is 2 plus 2? The AI answers, 4. You ask for a joke. It tells you a programmer joke. Type Q, and it says goodbye. No browser, no chat app, your own program, your own AI, built from 10 lines of Python.
Before you go, the 4 errors you will actually hit. Number 1. Module not found error. No module named openai. The package is not installed. Fix it with pip install openai. Number 2. OpenAI error. Missing credentials. You forgot the key. Add API key with your GSK key. Number 3. Authentication error. Error code 401. Invalid API key. The key is wrong or has a typo. Recopy the exact key from the console. This is the number 1 AI wall. Number 4. Rate limit error. Error code 429. The free tier has limits. Wait a minute and try again. 4 errors. 4 quick fixes.
Here's the whole skill in 6 steps. Pip install openai. Create the client with API key and base URL. Build the messages list with role and content. Call chat completions, create. Read reply, choices, 0, message, content. And loop with while true. Ask, send, print, remember. That is it. You built an AI chatbot.
Your programs talk to AI now. The same pattern powers ChatGPT API apps everywhere. Next time, let's give the chatbot a window with Ting Gainer, a real desktop AI assistant. And remember, your API key is a password. Keep it secret. What will you ask your AI first? Tell us in the comments. Like, subscribe, and comment. Happy coding!